Alright guys, welcome again. Today what we did today was we installed a junction box on my Kaufman 3-car trailer. I kind of took the old connection out. It's right here. I didn't really like it. It was finicky, and then all these different connections from the previous owner, so I just cleaned it all up. Got me a junction box, and I got my battery box for my breakaway system, breakaway switch. So yeah, everything is nice and wired up the right way. The junction box, I got it from Amazon. It's fairly cheap, a 7 pin. It wasn't that expensive, fairly cheap. And it comes with the instructions, you know. It also comes with a extra breakaway switch. You got an extra breakaway switch. But I must say, when you do this, you're gonna have to get yourself some connectors, because you're gonna need that. And I got this guy right here that I keep on my truck all the time. Some extra wire, just in case you need to, you know, depending on where you put your box. So like mine's, I'm mounting mine's like right here, so everything's just gonna be like so, right here, and I'll do it. Then I'm gonna tie strap these wires, these ones that's going to the breakaway and the 2 corner lights. You gotta make sure you wire those back in, but for the most part it's done. And yeah, nice little upgrade. Don't forget, you can ask questions in the comment section, and you know, again, please, you know, if you like the video, like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. You know, refer a lot of people. I'm trying to build my channel up, so you know, if you guys subscribe, if you like my videos, I'll be posting a hell of a lot more videos on everything I do on my truck and trailer. So my channel is something that you want to see. So appreciate the watch. Like, share, subscribe. Much love, and I'm out.